Hi all, welcome back to the channel. And this video we're going to talk about if-else conditions. So let's start. So if I talk about the basic of if-else condition, what is that? So if I talk about if-else condition, so it's basically follows a principle of a boolean to check a boolean, which is in which we are going to describe one condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute this kind of our block of code, which we're going to write in this section. So simple, if it is true this, and if the condition is false, then it will execute this. This section will be executed. So let us have a simple example. Let's say we have a variable a, the value is 20, and we have a variable b, which is value, let's say it's 4. So a simple condition, we'll just check is a greater than b, and our block of code will be print ln. I'll just write a simple statement. Is this true? Or it's false. So simple condition. Let's try to execute this one, and let's see. Okay, so we got it's a true condition because a is greater than b, which is 20 is greater than 4. So that's been executed and the condition is correct. So again, if I summarize, if it is true, follow this condition. If it is false, you're going to execute this kind of code block. Simple. But what if we have more than one condition? In that case, we're going to execute our else if operator or else if condition. So let's see how it works. So in this way, if you see, now we have another condition block in this, and what we can do is we can write a different condition or a slightly different condition. So let's check b is greater than a, which is another condition, and if this doesn't execute, or if it's also false, then it will follow the, then if it's going to the else condition. So let's write b is greater than a, and in this condition if I write a is greater than b. So let's modify a bit. So is a greater than b? Is b greater than a? Let's write this also. Let's execute. So what I have done in this simple example, I just took two variables. I have written one condition and the another condition in else if block. So what is this else if thing? So if you have multiple conditions, in that case you can write else if, and it's not like you can write just one, you can write multiple also. So let's say if I have to write another else if, I can write like that. So there is no problem. And in the last, so if all the conditions are wrong, what is going to execute? Our else operator. Again, you're going to write the else one. The else will execute. Now if you see this simple example, it will check b is greater than a, which simply means is 4 greater than 20, which is false. So it not went to this one. Again, it will check is a greater than b, which simply means is 20 greater than 4, which is true. Then the compiler will go to this, and it has went to this one, is a greater than b. And if both are wrong, it will go to this condition. And if you want to check, I can just write equals to, and it will go to the else condition. See, I don't know, because it went to, the condition is also wrong because a is not equals to b. So this is a simple example of else if condition. And again, if I can tell you, if I can summarize one more time, else if, and else. So now you can simply see, if I want one condition, I'll use if and else for a boolean true and false to execute a simple condition. If I have multiple condition, I'm going to use else if for my second condition, my third condition, fourth condition, and n number of conditions. I will use this else if. And then finally, if I think if just a safe case. If all conditions wrong, then you're going to execute the else condition. This is a simple way. But I don't have multiple conditions, but I want to write else if in a very simple way. So if you talk about Java, it has one Elvis operator. So that has a structure like you can write a variable a, then a colon. You can write your condition here, like a greater than b, and then your two statements like the code blocks, like if it is true and if it is false, or you can say it's if it is false. So this kind of Elvis operator. But Java, it is in Java, and it is not exactly supported in the Kotlin, but there's a catch. So there's another way to use that one. So I'm just going to tell you simply. So first of all, I'll make it simpler. So let's say, can we use if else without brackets? So yes, we can. So it will be like this: b print ln and our block 1 and block 2, which is else, which is ln, these are block 2. So in this way we can use our if else condition is one line, and for condition like else and Elvis operator, what we are going to do is we'll use another variable, which is max limit, which is 1. So if I want to assign some values, what I'm going to do is I'll write I'll take it as variable where max limit is equals to, and now sorry, it's 6, and let's take it as 10, and to print max limit is $. Okay, so what I have done in this one is I want to assign a new value or a condition based value to this variable. What I'm going to do, took simple if else condition, I'll just check is a greater than b or not. If it is, then assign max limit, or if it is false, assign as 10. Simple operation. So again, a greater than b, which simply means is 20 greater than 4, which is true. So max limit will be 6, and it is 6. Okay. So in this way we can use a catch of Elvis operator in Kotlin also. So thank you, and this much for today. So see you in next video. If you have any doubt, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.